Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash.
Yes, an EAF and
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Spencer County and Central Kentucky, Northeastern Bullitt County and Central Kentucky, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mount Washington, Crenshaw, Waterford, Whitfield, and Smithville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.